Okay, this is the OpenMind 1 ml syringe adapter. So I'm gonna teach you how to handle this adapter. So the first is, let's say that you want to put a new syringe. So I'm gonna remove this from here, right? So let me just see. So I'm gonna attach this from here. I'm gonna do like this. So now it's free. See? So now we're gonna place this here. So let's place like this. So you just need to place here, go through the hole here, down, and then you activate with a single hand those springs like this. So it avoids the plunger to fall, and then you cover with this just to have the set restriction. Then you just tie this. So you ensure that the syringe and the plunger are straight and the needle is straight as well. So you can visualize from the side as well, just to be sure. So you can manipulate those springs like this, right? Or with a single hand like this. So those have two positions, one that is outside and the other that is inside. So let me show you. Outside, and then inside. Sometimes you might bend here the head, so you won't go through, but you just need to apply the force. You can do it as well with the two hands, like this. So if it is unsynced, then you just can synchronize both, the same position, like this. So that's it. So now let's remove this. You need to untie this, and then go through all this, and then you can remove. Let's put it back, and now we can test. So let's like this. That's it. So you ensure that it's straight, and then you tie it through here. So that's it. That's all. Now, what you need to do is, let's start working with this. So we're gonna select some wells to print. Let's put this here. Only be sure that here it doesn't have any material at the tip, and that's it. So let's go now through the application, right? So we're gonna select here what we're gonna set. So here we have the setup, right? So droplet line brain construct, adjust layer height, speed, temperature, the settings for the line that is printed, the settings for the droplets that are printed, in terms of extrusion rate, volume to print, sorry, and other variables that are not important at this moment to explain, and the G-code that we're going to send to the machine, right? And then the bottom where you can send the G-code to the machine. So let's start. Everything is by default, so everything is already calculated, so you don't need to change any variable. Everything is already tested. So now here is where is located the settings for the weld plate, right? So in this case, it is selected that before we make some print, so I'm gonna unselect this. So it's important not to click on top of the number, but just a little bit to the side. That is like I am doing at this moment. So now we're gonna select this one H3, this one H9, this one B9, and this one B3. Those are the ones that we're gonna print. Everything here, all variables is by default, already with the right set. Yeah, and now we send to the frame the G code. So now here is with the code that corresponds to that print, and now we're gonna print that. So let's start the print with this button. So now the machine is coming, right? Okay, let's go to the selected. Let's open the door, and then we can start watching the print. Of course, you can adjust the height where it's printed. All variables are possible to be adjusted. This is just a demonstration. This is the drop. That is the line. And that's the top. So it goes to the other ones that were selected. You can increase the speed, you can create or just adjust another variable such as extrusion rate, extrude volume. So that's it. So we can see we already printed in different weld plates and welds of the weld plate, and that's it. So that's all. Thank you. Okay, another thing to consider from the adapter is how to install the adapter. So if you see here, there is a little screw, right? Just to avoid the adapter to be bent at a certain point. So avoid this to break or to be unfixed against the syringe and the plunger. So in this case, I'm going to disassemble and assemble this back. So it's just a matter of taking this screw out, right? And then just pulling this, so just remove like that. So this is the adapter. It works like this. Show you. It is unsynced, as I explained in the previous video. It's just a matter of taking this back. So both are up inside, both are outside. both are inside, or are inside, outside. And if it's synced, then you just need to do like this, and that's it. So, and if it happens, just a matter of putting this back, and you can do individually as well. Right? So that's it. So that's it. So now let's assemble this back here. Just need to take this out from because you can move this way. So just take this out, and then you just need to put this here inside, and then move this to the front and find the right spot where it's located the screw. You just put like this, and then too much, and just screw like this. That's it. So now it's fully working as it was before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. So this is the way. Thank you.